While much has changed amid COVID-19 concerns, one thing hasn't changed. The Tutorial Center is committed to helping students have a successful fall 2020 semester. All our tutoring services have moved fully online. We are here to help you transition into online learning, as well as help you with your coursework. The Santa Rosa Junior College Tutorial Center offers free tutoring programs to help you achieve your academic goals. We are here to help you succeed in your classes. The Tutorial Center provides tutoring for SRJC students needing assistance with coursework in many subject areas and at all academic levels in a supportive, interactive environment that fosters student success and independence. Help is free and available Monday through Friday. To access our live remote tutoring during fall 2020 semester, click on SRJC Tutoring under Quick Links in your student portal or by visiting the College Skills Tutorial Center website. We look forward to providing our in-house tutoring services in this online environment. Happy fall semester from the Tutorial Center, and we'll see you online.